We've all sought advice from friends, idols, and even Google on how to attain quick wealth. The desire for financial stability is universal, and the sooner we achieve it, the better. Financial stability is akin to the gratification of completing a collection of Pokémon cards in pristine condition, after years of saving pocket money and trading with friends. If that reference feels outdated, consider the satisfaction derived from maintaining a Snapchat streak and watching the number steadily increase. Or recall the exhilaration experienced when conquering the most challenging level of a video game, the unbridled euphoria of accomplishing what seemed impossible. The aim is to sustain that success consistently, without unexpected setbacks. That's what it means to be financially stable. In today's world, attaining financial stability is often synonymous with learning how to become rich, preferably within a reasonable time frame after completing education. The path to achieving this goal may vary between individuals. For some, it involves amassing their first $1 million or creating generational wealth for their children and grandchildren. For others, financial stability means acquiring enough wealth to cover their parents' medical expenses, their younger sister's college tuition, and the future childcare costs of their own children. Regardless of which category you belong to, obtaining the right education can undoubtedly aid in reaching your financial objectives. How to become rich and stay that way? Becoming rich is just one aspect of the equation. Although obtaining the right degree can set you on the path to achieving your wealth goals, sustaining wealth requires a different set of skills. One effective strategy for maintaining wealth is to minimize debt, including student loans. Therefore, it is crucial to evaluate how much you can afford to invest in your education and determine if it will result in excessive debt. While not all debt is inherently negative, it is important to establish a budget that aligns with your financial capacity. Consider exploring similar degree programs offered by different universities, as they may have lower tuition fees or provide financial assistance. Another option is to explore universities in other countries, especially those known for offering affordable education to international students. This can help you avoid exorbitant rental and transportation costs. By addressing these considerations, you will take a significant step towards the journey of becoming rich within a decade. Once you have secured your financial foundation, you can then focus on tackling other essential steps. Investopedia highlights 12 habits that can pave the way to financial freedom. Setting life goals. Creating a monthly budget. Paying off credit cards in full. Establishing automatic savings. Investing wisely. Monitoring your credit score. Negotiating for goods and services. Staying informed about financial matters. Maintaining and preserving your assets. Living within your means. Seeking guidance from a financial advisor. Prioritizing your health. While these steps may appear straightforward, implementing them in practice can pose challenges. For example, adhering to a budget can be difficult, especially when you have dependents or other responsibilities. Unexpected and costly accidents may occur, although insurance can help mitigate their financial impact. Engaging a financial advisor may seem like a viable solution, but it often comes with a considerable cost. And finding a trustworthy and qualified professional can be a journey in itself. Ultimately, the key to achieving wealth lies in making wise choices. The first step towards that is selecting the right degree, which can significantly influence your financial prospects. How to become rich. Start with one of these 10 degrees that'll make you financially stable in 10 years. The level of financial stability needed varies based on individual money goals. Experts suggest a general guideline for dividing earnings as follows: 50% for housing, utilities, food, and transportation. 20% for saving and emergency funds. 30% for other expenses. In the United States, this allocation amounts to an average post-tax income of $68,499, which allows for a comfortable lifestyle in the 25 largest metro areas. Choosing the right degree can position you for a well-paying job that facilitates achieving this level of financial stability. However, it may be beneficial in the long run to pursue a degree that equips you with transferable skills, ensuring your marketability and success over the next 10 years. Master of Business Administration, MBA. An MBA can significantly accelerate your journey towards a more substantial bank account. In 2022, 17 business schools reported that their MBA graduates experienced an average annual salary increase of $12,550 or 9.3%, reaching an average of $147,648. According to Poets and Quants, Stanford MBA graduates boasted an average base salary of $182,272. An MBA equips individuals with a comprehensive understanding of business management, strategic thinking, and decision-making skills. This degree opens doors to lucrative opportunities across various sectors, such as finance, consulting, and entrepreneurship. When combined with hard work, an MBA is often seen as a key answer to the question of how to become rich. It is frequently a prerequisite for securing high-level positions like company CEO, or laying the groundwork for the next unicorn startup. Moreover, an MBA can serve as a powerful tool for conducting ethical business practices or pursuing international career prospects. Economics. Graduates with a degree in economics possess a strong foundation in economic principles, market dynamics, and data analysis. They are equipped with critical thinking and problem-solving skills that enable them to make informed financial decisions and identify lucrative opportunities. This knowledge can be applied in various industries, including finance, banking, consulting, and government, often leading to roles with an average annual salary of $128,180. Computer Science. A Bachelor of Computer Science degree equips individuals with valuable technical skills and knowledge in programming, software development, and problem-solving. This degree opens up a plethora of career opportunities in fields such as software engineering, data analysis, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence, which are experiencing significant growth as the world becomes increasingly digitalized. In the United States, the median salary for an information security analyst in 2021 was $102,600, with a projected growth rate of 35% over the next 8 years. Similarly, the median salary for a data scientist in 2021 was $100,910, expected to grow by 35.8%. Both of these roles typically require a degree in computer science. When combined with dedication, continuous learning, and an entrepreneurial mindset, a computer science degree can lead to both stability and wealth. Civil engineering. Civil engineers play a crucial role in designing and supervising the construction of infrastructure projects, including roads, bridges, and buildings. This field offers numerous high-paying job opportunities, with an average salary of around $88,050 per year in 2021, particularly within sectors such as construction, transportation, and urban planning. Civil engineers who excel in their careers can advance to managerial positions, leading to increased earning potential. Moreover, the skills gained from an engineering degree, regardless of the specific field, are highly transferable, allowing graduates to explore diverse industries and career paths. In the long run, most engineering degrees withstand the test of time due to their versatility. Aerospace Engineering. The exploration of space and the universe continues to be an intriguing field with countless mysteries yet to be unraveled, ensuring its relevance for the next 10 or even 20 years. Graduates with a degree in aerospace engineering possess specialized knowledge in areas such as aerodynamics, propulsion systems, and structural analysis. This expertise enables them to work on complex projects and contribute to technological advancements in the aerospace industry. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, there were approximately 61,400 jobs in this field as of 2020, with an anticipated annual growth rate of 8% over the next decade. The BLS predicts that around 5,100 new jobs will be added in this field in the coming years. Nursing. The healthcare industry consistently offers opportunities for career growth and financial stability, and nursing is a field that can provide both. Experienced nurses with specialized certifications can expect to earn competitive salaries, and part-time or freelance work can supplement their income. In the United States, certified registered nurse anesthetists can earn up to $195,610, while general nurse practitioners can make around $120,680. In the UK, the Royal College of Nursing estimated the average annual salary of an NHS nurse to be £33,384 in 2021, which has increased to approximately £37,000 with the 2023 pay rise. Supply chain management. Professionals in supply chain management play a critical role in optimizing the flow of goods and services, reducing costs, and improving organizational efficiency. A degree in supply chain management equips individuals with expertise in logistics, procurement, inventory management, and strategic planning. Companies across various industries rely on supply chain professionals to streamline operations and increase profitability, leading to competitive salaries in the field. In the United States, the average salary for a supply chain manager ranges between $107,100 and $137,255. For individuals seeking a quicker and more cost-effective way to gain qualifications, certificate programs or professional designations can provide valuable skills at a lower cost compared to a full degree. Finance. A degree in finance provides a strong foundation in financial theory, investment analysis, and risk management. Graduates with this degree possess the knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions, grow wealth, and achieve financial success. Finance opens doors to careers in investment banking, corporate finance, financial planning, and consulting, which are known for offering high salaries to graduates. Moreover, performance-based bonuses are common in the field, and rapid career advancement opportunities exist. New consultants with a graduate degree can typically earn between $150,000 and $200,000, including bonuses, at top firms. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, jobs in the finance sector are projected to grow by 7% from 2021 to 2031. Computer programming. With the continuous advancement of technology, the demand for skilled programmers remains high. Learning programming languages and gaining expertise in software development opens up numerous opportunities in sectors such as technology, software engineering, web development, and data analysis. Skilled programmers often enjoy competitive salaries, and with experience and continuous learning, they can command even higher pay. While the tech industry may experience occasional layoffs, staying updated with the latest information and seeking opportunities in larger companies like IBM can help mitigate such challenges. To make the most of a computer programming degree, consider exploring cheaper alternatives for education, such as free certifications and online courses. Investing in ongoing skill development and keeping up with emerging technologies will enhance your chances of success in this field. Architecture. Although it may be an unconventional choice, pursuing a degree in architecture can lead to financial success and fulfillment. Architects play a vital role in designing and overseeing construction projects, and their expertise is highly valued. From residential buildings to large-scale infrastructure, architects are needed in various aspects of the built environment. With experience and a strong portfolio, architects can command higher fees or establish their own successful practices. While architecture is a challenging degree and the job market can be competitive, it is possible to achieve wealth in this field. Additionally, architects have the opportunity to make a positive impact on the environment by specializing in sustainable and innovative designs that address climate change and reimagine urban spaces. One inspiring example is Pat Flynn, who transitioned from architecture to entrepreneurship. After losing his job at an architecture firm, he started a blog to help aspiring architects pass crucial exams. Through his dedication and entrepreneurial mindset, Flynn became a millionaire. Remember, finding financial success is not solely dependent on the degree you pursue. It requires continuous learning, adaptability, and making wise investments in your skills and opportunities.